I'm going to show you 5 different examples of evaluating logarithms. And in these examples, I'm going to be using the definition-based properties. These are really quick ways to evaluate logs. I have videos where I demonstrate how to evaluate a log by converting to exponential form. You always have that option, but some of these properties make it a little easier for you. So this first one, if these numbers match the numbers that I just underlined, so that 20 matches the base of 20, the answer is just 1 every single time. If those numbers match, the answer is 1. It's that quick. Next, I have log of 10 to the 4th power. Now, hopefully you know that a log without a base written in has a base of 10. So if that helps, you can write in your base of 10. And now what happens is I've got these matching 10s right here. If these match and you have an exponent on there, the answer is the exponent. So that's another property that you can use. If these underlined numbers match, the answer is the exponent. Now, really quick, there is another property that I'll have another video on called the power property. And according to the power property, you can move the exponent to the front of the log. And then it becomes the exponent times the log. Because remember, the answer to a log is an exponent. So hopefully that makes some sense. Now I've brought the exponent to the front, so it becomes 4 times the log of 10. And we can use the previous property that I used on the last slide. Those numbers match. When those numbers match, the answer is 1. So it becomes 4 times 1 because we still had that 4 multiplied in the front. So it still equals 4. So you are not stuck using just one property. You will have log problems where you can use different properties as somebody else and still get the same answers. Oh no. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to power through. Sorry that the bell rang. Okay. This is just another demonstration of the property that I just used on the last slide. These numbers match. The base matches that 8 in this case. So the answer is the exponent. The reason I'm showing this one is because I see students mess up on this sometimes. They feel like they haven't done enough, but the answer really is just 3x plus 1. You don't have to do anything else. Next, this is another definition-based property. No matter what the base is, if this number that I just underlined is a 1, the answer is 0. You can have any base. Your base can be 1,000,000. If this number is a 1, then the answer is 0. And again, you can always use exponential form if you want. You can convert to exponential and see how that is true, but these will always equal 0. And I've already done one like this where the bases match, but just one more reminder, it doesn't matter what number they are, as long as they match, or not the bases match, as long as this matches this, the answer is 1. So hopefully you saw enough examples where you're a little more comfortable with those definition-based properties. Logs aren't the worst thing in the world. Once you practice them and get used to them, hopefully you enjoy them like I do.